Referent Power. Leadership can be based on referent power, a power sourced from being liked, loved, respected, admired or adored. Followers tend to transfer referent power to someone, based on an image that they created of that person. Basically, referent power is generated by followers' imagination. When a leader's image gets cracked, his or her referent power weakens or people stop following that individual. We respect, or even admire certain people for their achievements or their demeanor. This usually relates to beating the odds. The pertaining individual's achievements or demeanor are rare under given circumstances. Followers of such leaders want to identify with such leaders. This can be very powerful if followers exert themselves beyond their usual maximum to realize similar achievements. In time, referent power may weaken, for instance because followers start seeing their leader's achievements or demeanor in a different perspective. We tend to like those who are like us. More accurately, we tend to like the people who we think are similar to us. This can relate to sharing fashion, hobbies, values, musical preferences, and so on. Some wannabe leaders abuse this tendency to curry prospective followers' favor by pretending to be similar to them, lying about what they like and value. It usually doesn't take long for the truth to come out. Adoration and charm tend to be fed by someone's personality, physical appearances or behaviorism. Such power is often rather weak and short-lived. This is partly due to its superficial base making it very sensitive to disappointment. For instance, Person A may decide to follow Person B's lead, because Person B asked Person A very nicely to do so. Some seem to follow another out of adoration or falling for their charm, but instead, they are under reward power, believing that their accommodating behavior will be rewarded in some way. Some would follow a certain leader anywhere, just because that follower loves that leader. Love tends to be irrational. Its source may be unknown and its duration unpredictable. Such a leader usually has a small span of control, one or a few followers. Once love becomes mutual, division of roles between followers and leader may fade. Various forms of referent power can coexist. For instance, a certain follower may respect and admire a certain leader as well as finding that person charming.